Hello students, welcome to NCERT online class. Student, today I will discuss a very important class, kendriya vidyalaya sangathan, that means KV, how to make notebook index for classwork and homework. From class 3 in kendriya vidyalaya, you need to make classwork index and homework index in your class notebook copy. But how to make? Let's discuss about it. Okay. At first, in your class copy, and this is for all subject. All subject means English, EVS, Math, and Hindi also. Okay. At first, in your class copy, make 8 pages like this. Full page you need to make, and why I not make here, because you need to make this up to last. Then make a small column at first, then for date make another column. Then this for topic, so you need to make this one is something big. This one make something big because you need to write that topic. Then competency, then grade, and here is 2 column. And when you make this, at first write here class work index. Okay, I will write class work index, and same as 4 or 5 page, same to same for class work index, and another 4 and 5 page for homework index. You need to write homework index as usual same. Then make it, because we need to make headline. At first serial number. Then date, because every day when your classwork start, you need to mention this. You need to fill up at first. Then topic, or you can write in different school also chapter, but topic is main. Then competency, which competency is related that day class, like that writing, grammar, spelling, you need to fill up here. Then grade, this for this serial number, then date, then topic, then competency. This 4 is your work, and grade, teacher sign, and parent sign is last. These 2 for your class teacher or your subject teacher, parent sign for your guardian, and every day you need to fill up this and this when classes start. Imagine your class teacher write a class for class 3 English, good morning, class writing. So you need to fill up like this. Serial number 1. Imagine today's date. So 24. Sorry. Imagine tomorrow's date. Imagine it is 24/03/21. It is the date topic is good morning, and competency, imagine writing. That means that day teacher will be write question answer in class. So every day you need to fill up at first these 4. But how can you fill up this? Who is of the competency, writing or grammar or whatever? Your teacher will start the class. Teacher will be write here topic and then competency. Because you know that when I take class, I will write here everyday competency topic at first, then competency. You need to follow on the board and then fill up this at first. And class, whenever it is class work, teacher will be written on the corner CW or class work. Whenever it is homework, teacher will written HW or homework. And then you need to fill up another homework index like this. Okay. And student, this is for class 3 to 5 because there is no index in class 1 and 2. So remember how to fill up, and you need to fill up this very carefully. And this grade and this teacher sign your teacher after your work. When teacher will be check your copy and then parent signature, you need to check with your parents also after teacher signature. Okay. So this is for today's class. I hope it is helpful for you. So we'll meet our next class. Thank you all of you.